Starting a sublimation business is a simple way to enter the custom product market. With the right equipment and creative designs, you can sell personalized items like shirts, mugs, and tumblers from home. Starting a sublimation business is one of the easiest ways to enter the custom product market. With the right equipment and a few creative ideas, you can start selling personalized products from home. Sublimation printing transfers special ink into polyester fabrics or coated products using heat and pressure, creating vibrant designs that won't peel or crack. To start a sublimation business, you'll need a sublimation printer, heat press machine, sublimation ink, transfer paper, and blank products like shirts or mugs. Popular sublimation products include tumblers, mugs, t-shirts, tote bags, and personalized gifts that people love to buy online. Successful sellers focus on profitable niches like pet lovers, sports teams, weddings, or personalized gifts. You can sell sublimation products on Etsy, Shopify, TikTok Shop, or even local markets and craft fairs. With creativity, the right niche, and consistent marketing, a sublimation business can grow into a profitable custom product brand. If you want more sublimation tips, product ideas, and business guides, visit subligeniusprint.com and start building your sublimation business today.